what's going on, guys? So today we are back with another repair on this car. The dash cluster has went all wonky and the readings were incorrect, and it was a 4-gauge cluster, so it only told me just basic shit. But this one over here is a 6-gauge, which will tell me a whole bunch more, and it changes different colors. But I do have to get the information button, so let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. I do not know the kilometers that are on this cluster, neither did the seller. Okay, the original car wire harness is in there. We don't need this. It will tell me my oil pressure, battery life, and all the good shit. But if it breaks, if the gas gauge breaks, it will tell me here that the car needs fuel, which the other one didn't do. So let's go ahead and swap this in. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to go ahead and pop this clip out. I know a scissors is not what you need to do this, but... Ow! I just stabbed my fucking finger. Flathead. Like, they're like the dumbest clips I've ever had to deal with in my entire life. I just broke it. I just fucking broke it. Okay, good. The clip was on this thing, so I didn't really break it. So, chuck that shit. Alright, so first thing you want to do is take your new cluster, flip it facing towards you. Make sure your steering wheel is all the way down. Lock it. And then what you're going to do, take your new cluster, put it facing down. Right there, just like that. And here is going to be a wire harness, which should connect into here, and make sure this clip is facing the open side, so that way when you push it in, it locks. And I heard things move already. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the key. Guys, this might actually be working. Please don't have so many kilometers, please. Oh, it lights up, it lights up. What? Oh, that's in miles, that's in miles. It looks like it's working so far. What about the key? No, you are not on full. No! I know your ass is not a half tank, bro. I know your lying ass. There's no way this car's a half tank. The battery seems to be dead. Yeah, which makes sense. So that works. So maybe this might actually work. The oil temp is cold. The oil pressure. Wait, let me crank it up. Oh, it's dead. Okay. So the battery's charging right now because I don't drive this car in the winter. So yeah. So right now the cluster, they're all facing 0. So here's the thing, I don't really know how much gas is actually in this car because I haven't pumped gas in this thing in a good couple months. I know this girl's gonna start. Oh yeah, I got distracted. Alright, so let's see what's popping. Her RPMs look normal because it's cold as shit. Her fuel gauge, I don't even know to trust you right now. You got oil pressure, which is good. I never knew that before, and my car never told me it's oil pressure, so that's good to see. Battery voltage is good because it's on a charger, so obviously it's good. Speedometer, we're gonna have to check that later. Okay, you guys, you can see it's working. Alrighty, you guys, so I do believe that the gas is correct. I took it for like a 10-minute stroll. It didn't die. So I'm gonna show you guys how to reinstall it. So basically, you just want to line up the holes. There's 4 of them. There we go. And then you take your screws. It's a 7mm. I'm just gonna hand tighten them in, each one. Okay, that one's good. Last one. It's right there. And we're in for business. Hopefully that's long enough. There's no freaking socket on it, bro. Oh my god, where'd the socket go? Bro, that was like the funniest thing ever. I'm like, wait a second. Alright, here we go. For real this time. No, it's set on loose. What the hell? Oh, no. Josie's on a vacation far away. Come around and talk it over. I cannot get that back. Please, I'm sorry, please. Wait. This is why my girl loves me. Hold up, wait a second. Ah, come on. Ow, my finger. Just watch me struggle. I can't get it out. And then my girl asks me, babe, you said it was gonna take 5 minutes. This is the shit that happens, bro. This is what happens when a 5-minute job takes me 20 minutes because I've almost got it. Oh my god, you son of a bitch. I'm just gonna do this while you guys watch, because honestly, I'm not doing that shit again, bro. Look at my damn knuckles, bro. My knuckles, bro. Look at my freaking knuckles, bro. But you're gonna take your bezel, and then you're just gonna plop it like this, facing down. I have to do mine a different way because I have a LED light right there. To pop mine under my LED light and then push it in. And then everything should click clackety duck back in place. And yes, guys, finally, after 20 minutes, we finally installed a new cluster, which is an upgrade because now I have 2 more extra information, oil pressure and battery life. So yeah, ta-da! I'm waiting on one more thing, so I'm gonna show you guys. So the next video we're making today is, if you guys have a 05 to 08 Mustang, you know this feeling of breaking your fucking arm. Ow. Breaking your damn arm to get this shit like that. It hurts so bad. So what we're gonna get is a mount right here, and the seatbelt should be like right here, so I can just like whoop put it on instead of like friggin' doing this shit. It would be like right here, so I can just reach and pull. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It was just funny as hell. I got friggin' knuckle braced up in here. But yeah, guys, love you guys so much. Peace.